Let's start with a class, okay? Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the English class. Today, please, we are going to make a game about inventors and invention, okay? Because we have only 40 minutes, we are going to continue tomorrow with this, okay? With this game. But first, we need to know more about some inventors, some scientists. We learned some about Leonardo da Vinci. We know about Alexander Fleming, no? About George Crumb, we learned this, about Percy Spencer, no? These people. But now let's learn about other inventors, okay? Please watch this video and then you tell me who invented the telephone, who invented the light bulb, and who invented the airplane. Okay, watch please this video, okay?
Welcome to Kids Academy. Hello, let's get started on the lesson. An inventor is a person who creates something new. American inventors changed the way people live many years ago. In 1838, Morse introduced an electric telegraph with a special code system to help people send messages. He invented Morse code. Messages sent by Morse code contain dots and dashes to show the alphabet letters, numbers, punctuation marks, and other special characters. For example, this is how you would say hello in Morse code. Years later, in 1876, Alexander Graham Bell invented the first telephone. He discovered a way to transmit or send sound across electrical lines. People could now use the telephone to talk to each other from long distances. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb in 1879. Until then, people used fire as a main light source. Edison's bulb used electricity to create light. It was more powerful and less expensive than candles. This is because one light bulb could illuminate or light up an entire room. Centuries later, the light bulb is still a common household item all over the world. Orville and Wilbur Wright invented the first successful airplane in 1903. Early inventions such as gliders and aerial steam engines failed. Thanks to the Wright brothers and their clever design, people can travel the world by air. Let's review. An inventor is a person who creates something new. Samuel Morse was the inventor of a telegraph system called Morse code. People could use these codes to send messages to one another. Alexander Graham Bell discovered a way to transmit or send sound across electrical lines. This led to his invention of the telephone in 1876. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb in 1879. It was powerful enough to illuminate or light up an entire room. After many failed attempts, the Wright brothers invented the first successful airplane in 1903.
Okay, please raise your hand if you know the answer of these questions, okay? Of these three questions. Catherine, please. Catherine, who invented the telephone according to the video? Catherine, who invented the telephone? No idea?
Yo puedo responder.
Raise your hand, please, Adriana, if you want to answer, okay? Alejandra is the second. Alejandra, please. Who invented the telephone?
Teacher, the invented telephone is the invented
What's the name of the inventor?
the name is
Teacher, me. Me, teacher, me.
is
Teacher,
Alexander
teacher,
Antonio
me.
Amos
Wait, please, wait. Alexander. His last name?
Alexander and Graham Bell.
Graham Bell. Yes, Alejandra. Alexander Graham Bell is the person who invented the telephone. Second question, okay? Imanol, you are in the second. Oh, you raise your hand. Okay, Maria Jose, you are next. Maria Jose, who invented the light bulb? The light bulb. Who?
Thomas Edison.
Yes, Thomas Edison. This is another inventor. Good. Thomas Edison is the person who invented the light bulb. No, it's here. It says Alexander Graham Bell, the telephone, and Thomas Edison. And to finish, who invented the airplane, this machine? Who? It's easier. The Wright brothers. They are brothers. Orville and Wilbur. These two are brothers. Okay? The Wright brothers invented the airplane. Okay, now please, we are going to continue work with riddles, but we are going to create a game. But this tomorrow we are going to work with this, okay? You need to elaborate, like you see, you need to create 5 charts, 5 about inventors and their inventions. We are going to work in a OneDrive, in internet. But you need to use the grammar we learn, who, which, that, no, the grammar we learn, and also the vocabulary. Scientist, engineer, inventor, okay? The simple past, the person who invented, who created, in simple past, you need to create, okay? The teacher is going to evaluate with this. But first, let's work in groups, okay? We are going to work in groups and you are going to create riddles like this, but using this information. For example, this riddles is about an object, no? Something. Who can tell me the answer for this riddle? This is something that you wear in summer for the sun. What is it?
It's a hat.
It's a hat. Very good. The answer? It's a hat. The next riddle, please. The next riddle. Look. He is someone who fixes it. Someone who fixes it. Who is it?
A medal?
A medal? No, sorry, it's not. He is someone who fixes teeth. Is
A
it
dentist?
a dentist? Rose, excellent. A dentist. Someone, remember this, we use for people. Someone, who, for people. And when we talk about objects, no, things, we use something, that. This is for objects. You need to create, please, in groups, but this is only speaking. This activity is only speaking. For example, another. Yeah, I'm going to create other. I'm going to choose, okay, an object. This is something that you use to talk to people. What is it? This is something that you use to talk to people. What is it?
It is a telephone.
Diana, very good. It's a telephone. Something. When you listen something, it's an object. It's an object. Something that you use to talk to people. If you listen someone, for example, another example, okay? This person is someone who works in a restaurant. This is the information. Who is it? Emmanuel, tell me, who is it?
The cook.
The cook, yes, very good. No, this person is someone. When you listen someone, it's people. It's talking about people who works in a restaurant. Now, please, you are going to create these riddles with your group. But it's only speaking, please. It's speaking. Okay? One student in the group create a riddle using this or this format. Use this information, please, to create a riddle, and the rest of the students, guess the riddle. Okay? I'm going to create the groups. Please copy this model, okay? This, similar to this.
Profesor,
Yes, Alejandra?
profesor, o sea, algo parecido tenemos que hacer y compañeros tienen que responder.
Yes. And this is only speaking. Esta parte igual en todas y usamos la información que tenemos aquí. Okay? Similar here. For people, we use someone, who, and the information for people, no? Direct films, work on TV, does experiments, fix this. This is for people, no? Works at a restaurant. These are talking about people. Daniel, do you have a question? Daniel? No? Okay, let's make the groups, okay? This, please, is only speaking, okay? Only speak, only that, okay? Let's see. Sorry, 8, 4, yeah. You are going to practice with this 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes. Create one riddle about people or objects, okay? Only create one riddle and the rest guess the riddle. Accept, please, the invitation. Clicking unirse, click. Go with your groups. One student create a riddle and the rest answer, okay? Go, please, go. Good. Shania, go. Ivanov, accept, please, invitation. Catherine, clicking unirse. Valerie, clicking unirse. Antonella, click.
Catherine. Catherine se quedó tiesa ahí.
Ya, ¿quién va a inventar primero su, ¿cómo se llama?
The riddle.
Su adivinanza.
Yes. This is the model, Adriana. This is
Okay,
something
teacher,
that
thank you.
Adriana, please read this. Read. Look at here. Read this, please, Adriana.
He's someone who fixes tea.
Now, who? This information. Direct.
Okay. ¿Cuál, teacher? ¿La A?
Yes, A, but after this, no? Don't use this.
Okay.
This, no. Use direct films. Okay?
Okay. He is someone who directed films.
Who is it, Byron, Rose, Megan? Who is it? He is
¿Podría
someone.
repetir, por favor?
Read, please, Adriana.
He is someone who directs films.
The director?
Yes, very good. The director is the person who directs films. Very good, Rose. You see? It's easy. Rose, please read this order. Read to the group.
Okay. He is someone who does experiments.
Who is it, Byron? Adriana? Megan, who is it?
Can you repeat, please?
He is someone who does experiments. Scientific?
Good, a scientist. No, the correct word is scientist. Okay, this is science, no? Let's return, please. Let's return to the groups, okay? Wait a minute, welcome. One more time, welcome. Now we are going to continue, okay? But give me a minute. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Good, welcome, welcome. Now we are going to continue working groups, but first, pay attention, please. Open your microphones. Open your microphones, please. Repeat, dentist.
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 Good.
Dentist.
Repeat,
Dentist.
hat.
Dentist.
Hat.
Hat.
A hat.
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 Medal.
Medal.
Pedal.
Medal.
A pen.
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 Cook.
Pen.
Good. A scientist.
A scientist.
A scientist.
A scientist.
A cell phone.
A cell phone.
Telephone.
Telephone.
A cell phone.
A graph.
Graph.
A director.
Director.
A reporter.
A reporter.
A reporter.
Reporter.
Reporter. Good. Boys, in your books you have this information, please. This is in your books. Okay? And similar, we have the vocabulary. What is this? A dentist. No? A dentist. This is a journalist. It's similar to a reporter. A journalist. The difference is the journalist work in a TV or in a newspaper and they write articles. That is a journalist. Okay? Information, and result. Similar to Spanish. Okay, open please your microphones. Open. Repeat. Dentist.
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 Journalist.
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 Journalist. Journalist.
Journalist.
Information.
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 Result.
Information.
Result.
Okay, good. Boys, you have this information in your book. Okay, this is in the page 64 in your Young Start. Now, one more time, I'm going to create the books, the groups. Create your riddle, please, and the rest, guess the riddle. Okay, this is the model, similar to this model. You only need to, this, for example, if you read this, and then this, you have the riddle. In this case, you have the riddle. Camila Quispe. Camila, can you read this, please? Can you read this riddle? Don't read this part. Read this part. Not this, and then you read this part, Camila. Camila, can you read this riddle?
Teacher?
Read, please. This is something. Repeat,
See?
please. This is
It
something
is something
that
that
you can win
you can win
in
a race.
Thank you. You see, this is a riddle, no? This is something that you can win in a race. What is this? Megan, tell me, please, what is this? A medal, no? You see, it's a medal. Similar, please create your riddles in your groups, okay? One more time. One more time, okay? Accept, please, the invitation. Accept, go with your groups. It's the same group, huh? The same group. Go with your groups. Accept the invitation. Use your books, please. Byron, Shania, oh, good. Matthias, accept the invitation. Ruben, Miranda, Ruben, accept the invitation.
Ruben, Mateo, Catherine.
You were in summer for the Zoom. Espera.
Nice riddle, Imanol, nice. Brisa, what is it? Kevin, Almendra, what is it?
Is heart?
Sí. Yes.
Yes, very good. Brisa, can you create one riddle?
Okay. T is something that... ¿Puede ser cualquiera de los dos, no, profesor?
Yes, yes, any,
Okay.
any example.
Tres. He is someone who directed films.
Teacher, you. The director.
Yes.
Yes. Brisa, please, Brisa, repeat. Someone.
Someone.
Someone who.
Someone who.
Okay? You know number
Okay.
one. Do you remember number one? This is someone. Who.
Someone who.
Good. Continue, please. Create more riddles. Continue. Other riddles. Almendra, create one, please. Kevin, create one.
The director.
Sí.
Ok, Byron, te toca.
Good. Continue, please. Continue.
¿Vamos con el de la computadora o con el de la medalla?
Create,
Really?
create your reader.
Teacher, nuestro reader está en el chat.
Oh, it's in the chat. Good. I'm going to see, okay?
Ya están regresando. Ah, ya. Valeria salió de la sesión por su internet.
Valerie, ¿no?
Sí.
Profesor, ¿qué pasó?
We'll return to the... Let's go to the book, okay? Let's go to the book, please. Open your books, 64. Please, open your books, 64. Let's complete this, okay? Very fast. It is something you wear in summer. What letter? What number? A hat. Yes.
You.
Two.
The
Yes.
hat.
Very good.
Hat, teacher.
For the next, is something that you can win in a race. What is it?
The number 3.
A number three. What is it?
And number 3. The medal.
Very good. It is something that you used to write. What is
The
it?
number 4.
Four.
Number 4.
A pen. No, we use a pen to write. Good. It is he is someone.
One.
Again,
One.
excellent.
One.
He is someone
The
who
one.
works at a
Five.
the cook. The chef. Complete, please, in your books. Okay. You see, these are the answer. Now, this is the information we use to create riddles. Okay. Now, for the group B, the same. Let's answer. In the group B, we have some information, not the same. Tell me, this is the person who directs films. Who is it?
3.
3.
Yeah, who is it? The director. The director, good. This is something you use to talk to people.
The number 5.
The
Yeah,
number 5.
telephone, the mobile. Good. This is something that show results and give information.
The number 4.
The number 4.
Or, in English, this is graph, okay? Graph.
Graph.
This person is someone who does experiments. A scientist, excellent scientist. And to finish, this person a journalist, a reporter,
The journalist.
a journalist, a reporter. Good. This is the activity B, the group B. Complete, please, in your books, okay? Easy, no? This information is easy. Now, let's work with the next part, okay? Next page, please, in your books. 65. Kids Learning Club. Okay? In this part, we are going to work now with a composition, with a writing. Okay? Let's work with that. Pay attention, please. Kids Learning Club is a club that you can learn more. But you can use movies, you can use books, or in this case, we are going to create a game. Okay? In the watch films you must watch is talking about animals, you can see. We are not going to work with this. We are going to work with the next, with inventors, with inventions. Okay? 2 students, please, who can read these 2 paragraphs. Raise your hand, please. 2 students, help me. We are going to read these 2, okay? Okay. Maria Jose, please read about Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci was he an artist or an inventor? He painted the Mona Lisa, but he also invented many things. Read this book and find out more about his life.
Thank you, Maria Jose. Find out. This is the word find out. No? Find out means discover more about his life. No? Leonardo da Vinci, we learn about these people. No? This inventor. Please, Alejandra, read about the next inventor.
Okay, teacher. Thomas Edison. He's the man who invented the electric light bulb. Where was he from? What do you know about his life? Read and find out.
And find out, no? Read and
find out.
Discover about the information of Thomas Edison. Okay? We are going to work with this part. Okay? Now, pay attention, please, here. We are going to... Oh, come on. Okay, let's complete this, okay, before we start with the writing. As playing. Go to Zoom, please. Go to Zoom. Más opciones, anotar, you know that. Let's answer. We need more what? To finish the homework. 2, this person invented the light bulb. What's the name? What's his name? 3, it's someone who works with a science. Complete, please. 4, it's something that you receive when you win a competition. 5, we use charts or graphs to show it. 6, it's someone who fixes your teeth. It's someone who works in a newspaper or the TV. He or she writes articles. Okay, we are going to use the information in the page 64. For example, very good. This dentist, no? The number 6, very good. Dentist. Number 4, medal, very good. Yes, Diana is writing, no? The name of the person who invented the light bulb. Journalist, yeah, very good. The journalist, no, the reporter. Oh, Shania says scientist, very good. No, it's the person who works with the science. Thomas Edison, no, good. The name of the inventor, very good. The number 1, we need more to finish the homework. More what? Number 5, we use charts of graph to show it. The number 5 is in the vocabulary, okay? It's this word. Information to finish the homework, yes. Results, dentist, and this was scientist, no? Very good. Stop, please, stop. Okay, stop. Thank you for your work. Thank you. Maria Jose, Diana, Imanol, Shania. Good. Thank you for all of you. Oh, come on, I'm going to do this. This is the vocabulary we learn. Now, pay attention, please, here. We don't have much time. Oh, it's time, no? Sorry. Tomorrow we continue, please, okay? Tomorrow we continue with the composition.